What's up, guys? Sandanalo. Today I'm teaching about Ngomets in Zulu. Yemfihlakalo. It's a request from a subscriber. So the song goes like this: F sharp, guys. Transpose 0. Okay, yeah, same settings. I've written my settings down with description. Slow version for beginners who are interested in this one, but this video is not for beginners. Okay. forget, guys. I hope you learned a lot. This is it, guys. Moving on. Thanks, guys. Subscribe to our channel, click on the notification icon. Donate, guys. We'll open for donations, guys. Yeah, I need to purchase my own keyboard now. I think you can help me, guys. If you, everyone can donate maybe 100 rand, yeah, we can buy a new keyboard so that I will make like videos every day. Like, I'll make sure if you can donate, guys, then buy a keyboard. It's 6,000. Roland in 6,000. That means it's 60 people or 60 people. Yeah, I think 60 people. Or no, I don't know how many, but few people. If they can donate to 100 rands, we can buy our own keyboard. I'm doing teaching one way, guys. One way. Thanks.